Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now, una lady Apiwa and her PR boyfriend were seen performing together, and I feel like there's another part of couple who works together that we don't actually think about, like they still have to work together. They have this big song, people still want to support them, and you can definitely tell by the body language the chemistry is not there anymore. Like, na lady, like she's looking away and her body is just shifted away from her ex-boyfriend, if I may say so. She's not even making eye contact to begin with. Like, she is just not there, but she's trying to be professional though, because she's moving around, she's making eye contact with her fans who are there to support them. And I'm just like, shame. Hey, I feel bad for both of them, honestly, because they still have to see each other, because they have two hit songs that are doing well, and people want to support them, people want to go and see them when they are performing, and they have to come together and perform. And I just, like, when they're booking them, I'm just wondering like what the conversation is like during that time, like, or maybe it's only the management who are talking to each other. This is so it doesn't look toxic, it looks healthy, but it's distracting, man. It's so distracting. But una lady, shame, hey, she will pull off any performance no matter what. Girl, and they were also seen performing together again. That's what I'm saying. Like, these people just, they have to work together. They don't have a choice. They have a hit song. They're at the prime of their careers. They have to use every opportunity they have to use every opportunity that comes their way. Now, on this video, right, I see the body language is kind of shifting. They kind of seem a bit closer, and I'm kind of like, ke ngwanyana re lebogile, so please don't mess this up for us. Don't mess this up for her. But they kind of seem cool. I mean, I don't think they're there, man. I just don't. But the body language seem like maybe they've spoken, but they seem to be a bit closer. They once they just try to make eye contact with each other. He's shifting closer to her. They're not touching each other this time, not even by hands, nothing. They're just performing. I don't think there's anything to it, unless maybe in the future something will come up. But for now, I'm just literally concluding this as being professional.